Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the nightlight or icon photo mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down, or scroll basically, and find the display. Here, let's scroll down and localize the nightlight, and if you wish you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. I'm not really sure if you will see any kind of difference, so let me actually turn off the dark theme so you will be able to, see the nightlights properly. So let's tap on this switcher, and now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It's in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. We can tap on it to customize it. Here we've got the intensity switcher. Right now it is on the lowest setting, and we can just increase the intensity by going to the right. Of course, set the intensity on the level which is the most comfortable for you. Here, the schedule, so we can just use it manually, turn it on and off manually. We can turn it on at custom time, so we can choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or we can also turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and basically here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. Alright, so this is the customization of the nightlight, and if you wish to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and here try to find the nightlight, which is right here. So tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.